Dear students, I hope you are all safe in your homes and increasing your knowledge by engaging yourself in different types of hobbies or activities. I believe instead of wasting your time, you are studying. In the last lecture, we studied about the types of friction. Now we are going to studying about number 1, friction a necessary evil, number 2, methods of increasing and reducing the friction. After studying, you will be able to number 1, explain the need of friction in day-to-day activities like walking, rolling, etc. Number 2, justify the need of ball bearing in different machines. Number 3, enlist the methods of decreasing friction. Number 4, give example of situations where friction is a necessity and where it is an evil. Friction a necessity. Number 1, walking on the ground. It is a friction between the ground and our feet that enable us to walk. When we walk, we push the ground under our feet in the backward directions. That is the action. Friction then provides us the reaction force which make us to move in forward directions. If the friction between our feet and ground were absent, we would not able to walk. Now discuss the questions. Why do we tend to slip on a wet or oily floor? The wet or oily floor provide a thin layer in between our feet and the ground. This decreases the friction between our feet and ground. Our feet are then no longer able to grip the floor firmly and push it backward. We therefore tend to slip on the wet or oily floor. Number 2, for rolling. The friction between the tires and road is necessary for vehicles to move safely. If there were no friction, tires of vehicles will go on spinning at the same place and will not move forward at all. If friction between the tires and road is less than a specified value, the tires can lose their grip of the road. The vehicle may then skid or turn. Number 3, friction enables us to hold things safely in our hands like glass tumblers, earthen pot or paper glass. Number 4, friction enables us to write with pen or pencil on paper or with chalk on a blackboard. It is a friction that hold the ink and chalk particle and make them stick to the rough surface of paper or blackboard. Number 5, friction enables us to fix a nail on wall or tie a knot or light a matchstick. Friction and evil, that is the bad effects of the friction. Number 1, friction is responsible for the lot of wear and tears of the moving parts of machines. For this reason, moving parts of machines need the replacement. Number 2, it worn out steps of foot over bridge at the railway station or the soles of old shoes. Number 3, a significant amount of energy supplied to a machine get wasted in the form of heat energy while overcoming the force of friction. Methods of increasing friction. Friction is increased by making the surface rough. Number 1, tires of vehicles have treads. Number 2, soles of our shoes are grooved. These tread and grooves increase the friction to a desired value and help us to avoid skidding or slipping. Number 2. Number 3. Sportsmen use the special shoes with spikes This helps them to get a better grip on the ground. Number 4. Gymnasts often apply some porous substance on their hand to increase the friction between their hand and the uneven parts. This gives them a better grip. Number 5. Kabaddi players rub their hands with soil for a better grip on their opponents. Methods of reducing friction. Number 1, polishing. When we polish a surface, its roughness decreases and friction is reduced. Number 2, rubbing. Rub the surfaces with a fine sandpaper to reduce their unevenness and reduce the friction. Number 3, ball bearing. We know that rolling friction is smaller than the sliding frictions. So sliding can be replaced by rolling in most machines by use of the ball bearing. Number 4, lubrication. Oil-like substance which when put on a surface help to reduce the friction. Now we study the lubrication in details in next two slides. When we apply lubricants like oil and grease between the moving parts of machines, a thin layer of lubricant is formed between the two surfaces. Now surfaces do not rub against each other directly, so friction is reduced between the moving parts of machine. Talcum powder used as a solid lubricant. We often sprinkle talcum powder on the carom board. It reduces the friction between the striker and board. Now striker moves smoothly on the board. Compressed and purified air can also used as a lubricant. It provides an elastic cushions between the moving parts, thus reducing the friction. It plays important role in smooth ride of a hovercraft. Benefits of lubrications. Oiling and greasing of machines result in the less wear and tears and hence less energy wastage. This helps to increase the efficiency of machine. Now discuss the one question related with the lubricant. Question: name one semi-liquid like lubricant and other solid lubricant. Answer: grease is a semi-liquid like lubricant and talcum powder is a solid lubricant. Friction enables us to write on the blackboard. When we write on the blackboard, dust particles stick to the chalk surface due to its roughness. So friction helps us to write. Friction enables us to write on the white paper. Ink particles of pen stick to the rough surface of paper. On laminated paper, we are not write with a simple pen. For the writing on the laminated paper, we take a special pen which have the rough tip. So this tip has a more friction value. Now we write on the laminated paper. So it is a easily write. Friction helps us to ignite a matchsticks. When we rub the chemical attached at the tip of the matchstick with the rough surface of the matchbox. Due to the friction, it produces so much heat, the chemical attached to the matchstick start burning. Friction of the hand help to hold the things. So we pick the glass safely with your hand. If we hold the glass with the oil on our hand, now observe what happens. It can slip from our hand. Now friction is less between our hands and glass, so glass is slip from our hands. Friction helps us to walk. When we walk, we push the ground in backward directions. That is action. Due to the friction, we get the reaction force to move in the forward direction. If friction is absent, we are not able to walk. Whenever we walk, we prefer to wear a shoes or footwear have the proper sole as shown in the videos. These soles have the groove which increase the friction. If we wear this type of footwear which have the flat sole, there is chances of slipping when we walk on the wet floor. We are using the ball bearing machine to reduce the friction. Ball bearing converts the sliding friction into the rolling, which has the least value. Bearing increase the speed of the movement of the machine. We are using the oil as a lubricant in a machine to reduce the friction. Game of carrom board, we are using the powder as a lubricant which reduce the friction between the striker and board, so striker moves on the board very smoothly.